Before installing the glass panes, remove the glazing beads, ensuring that you do not mix them up as they need to go back in the same position. Now insert the bridging packers on opposing corners. First insert the black bridging packer in the bottom corner of the hinge side, and then insert the clear bridging packers on the top corners of the handle side. Now install the glass against the bridging packers. You'll notice that there is a gap between the edge of the glass and the bridging packers. You will need to push glazing packers in these gaps, ensuring that the unit remains square and parallel in the aperture until it is firmly held in position. Once you're happy with the position of the unit and the packers, use silicone to secure the packers in place and prevent them moving. You can now refit the beads, ensuring that they go back in the right place. Starting with the shorter beads first, clip the beads in before using a rubber mallet to tap them into place, tapping on the edge where the bead meets the frame. Once the glass is fitted, check the door operation again. Before cleaning and sealing the door frame, break off excess length of the packers with a chisel. If external trims are being used, measure the required lengths before cutting and preparing them. Use glue and activator to stick the trim to the frame. Once trimmed, the door is ready to be cleaned before sealing. Remove any remaining protections tape from the outside frame and then clean the door and frame to remove any dust before sealing the frame to the wall. Run masking tape along the edges of the frame to help create a neater finish before running a smooth bead of sealant between the frame and the brickwork. Once sealing is completed, remove the masking tape to reveal a neat finish. Check the operation of the door one last time. Providing that the doors and glass have been installed correctly, they should work perfectly. Minor adjustments can be made to the hinges if required. Please view our other video for further details on how to do this.